Let's have a quick overview of what you have studied today. Today, we have discussed the characteristics of technical writing in detail. There are four basic skills of learning a language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Let's define technical writing first. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, technical writing is defined as involving special knowledge, language that is used or understood by experts but usually not by others. Therefore, technical writing communicates specific and factual information to a defined audience for a defined purpose. Professional, occupational, and business writing are some of the forms that are related to technical writing. Recording of history, increasing literacy rate, Second World War, and computer revolution are some of the factors that originated technical writing.